I need to not pick up my phone. I'll go straight to airplane mode. Find something to do. I know I can be a little bit cold, but my third eye is going blind. I'm on a line with my body and mind. It's playing tricks. Say I'm fine, but really it's hurting me deep inside. 'Cause I've been dreaming about you. Ooh, I've been wishing that I was next to you. Oh, I've been dreaming of it. Oh, I've been thinking that this is not a need or a must, but love has treated me so wrong. This year all I've got to show our song. I want to be super duper true to you, but God, I don't know what to do. 'Cause last year I was just 22. Feels like it ebb and flew so far away and out of view. 23 seems like me and you, 'cause I've been dreaming about you. Ooh, I've been wishing I was next to you. Ooh, I've been dreaming of us. Oh, I've been thinking this is not a need or a dreaming of us. I know sometimes I make me feel insane. Sorry, that's just how I play this stupid game. I can't act like a child and disobey all that you want from me and that you say. I'm sorry, baby.
I just scared you so hard.
Please, puppy, I'm trying to be ultra happy and show you my smile and send you my feelings. And fuck you so hard, beating so damn hard. I guess I'll just stay here and start singing in my car. Listen, I've been dreaming about you. Ooh, I've been wishing I was next to you. Ooh, I've been dreaming of us. Oh, I've been thinking this is not a need or a must, but I've been waiting on you. Ooh, I've been waiting for you to tell me those 3 words. I've been hoping it's true. Ooh,
Oh my god!
that one day I'll feel like I am something new for you. I've been dreaming of us. Something new.